So this is Dr.R.Menaka ASP IT Department of LR College of Engineering and Technology, Erode. Today we can concentrate on topological sort. Topological sort is a linear ordering of the vertex in such a way that if there is an edge in the DAG means directed acyclic graph going from vertex U to V, then U comes before V in the ordering. In the sense, before studying the data structure in the curriculum, we expected to study the C programming or Python languages. Then after getting the introduction to the C or Python, then only able to provide the data structure. So that ordering has been imposed as an application by this topological sorting. It is important to note, for implementing this topological sorting, we have to prepare the graph like directed acyclic graph. So there may exist multiple different topological ordering for a given directed acyclic graph. So we have the algorithm like source removal algorithm for implementing the topological sorting. In the sense, see the graph here like this. So in the graph, this can be called as edges and this can be called as vertices. So each and every vertices we have to concentrate on in edges, in degree edges and out degree edges. So in degree edges means that is toward the vertexes. If degree is coming, if arrow is coming, mean that is in degree. From the vertexes, if the arrow is going out, mean that is out degree. So first of all, you have to note it. That is for each and every vertices, how many in degree is available, you have to note it. Like this. So for the A, we have the in degree 0 because toward A no arrow mark is coming. So then B. Then for the B, one in degree is coming, so we mark as 1. So like that, for each and every vertices in the graph, we have to mark the in degree 1. Then according to the source removal algorithm, that is, that algorithm specifies some information to be removed. So which information mean? First of all, you have to check which in degree is 0. That is very least in degree. So in this diagram, we noted there is A as the smallest in degree. So what we do, we remove those edges. So after removing the edges, after removing this vertices A, they just belong to the A will all be deleted. So after deleting, the structure of this graph will be marked like this. So from this replaced graph, again we have to note the in degree. So after removing this A, we will be getting the in degree for the B is 0 and for C as 1 and for D as 1 and for E as 2. Then from the step 3, again in according to previous one, we have the very least in degree is B. So we have to try to remove that B. So after removing the B, we will be getting the structure like this. So after getting the structure, again we have to mark which in degree. So for the C, 0 in degree, and for D, 0 in degree, and for E, 2 degree. So among this list, C and D is coming. Among this, you can prefer anyone. Like first of all, you can separate the C, or you can remove this D. Whatever we follow, we can do it. So now, according to this, I am removing the C information, and after removing the C, I am getting this information. And case 2, I try to remove the D, so I get this information. So after removing, again from this, what I have to do, I have to remove again which is very least. So D is a very least, so I am removing this. So according to the removal, source removal, we will be getting the path like ABC. So this is a topological order. In the sense, already we discussed, if this is a data structure mean, before data structure going, we have to get prepared for Python preparation learning. So like this, lastly is after removing. So as I said previously, like this we have to train it. After training, after removal of this, lastly we'll be getting the structure like this. See, here we first of all noted only the C. According to C removal, we'll be getting the topological sorting like this. So one after another, the curriculum studies we have to make it. So that is a simple example of this topological sorting. So another simple exam also we can study, like we have the 5 nodes. Among these 5 nodes, we try to plan the this is second exercise. Okay, so let us have the graph like this. In this graph, what we do, delete C. We try to delete the C1. After deleting the C1, what we plan means we'll be getting the structure only this. We'll be getting the structure only the structure. So like this we'll be getting. From that again we have to mark the integrity. After marking the integrity, we have to find out which is very least integrity. So then we find the C2 is a very least integrity. So we try to delete the C2. After deleting the C2, we'll be getting this kind of structure. And from there again you have to note the integrity of this. So for 0, 3 it is 0, for 4 it is 1, and for 5 it is 2. So least is C3. So we're deleting the C3. After following that, we delete to C4 and C5 like this. So lastly, the solution obtained is C1, C2, C3, C4. So this is a topological ordering we have to maintain. Okay, thank you.